There's a lot of layers on this old door panel. Under the dark blue is a maroon layer, then a lighter blue, then primer, and finally the bare steel. So it's taking a little extra time to get through all those layers. By the way, who can guess what kind of vehicle this door panel is from? Post in the comments and I'll let you know if you're right. An entire door panel isn't the ideal application for a 200-watt pulse laser. I mean, you can use it and it will turn out great. You're looking at an hour or so of laser cleaning when most of these areas in this door could be stripped with a sander in less time.
I used it to strip a firewall, which has a lot of raised and recessed areas that I couldn't get to with the sander, and it was perfect for that.
See how it does on this heavy rust. I'm using the same settings as before. This 200-watt pulse laser I'm using is the FLC 200 by Fortune Laser. I bought it a year ago, and it's worked flawlessly and saved me so much time on restoring parts. I made a full video about this machine that I'll put a link to in the description if you're interested in learning more. Here's a close look at the rust, and it has been completely removed. Even the pitted parts are fresh, clean metal. Scaling rust can be an issue for the FLC 200,